like to extend my warm regards to those people who still supporting me. To those people who are still pursuing the advocacy of saving our countrymen from um, suffering and hunger brought by the worldwide epidemic. Um,
Ayan,
Also,
so, bigyan natin
let
ng
me
bigas,
express
noodles or beef.
my
Parang ano pa rin,
regards
no? Parang
and my love to those mother who extend their sweat, blood, and tears for me, guiding me, bring out the best in me. Uh, Especially with Mommy Merly, Mommy Selly, Mommy Edith, Mommy Melita, and Mommy Dakel Gabina. And to all other mother out there, including those movement from Japan, my supporters in Hong Kong, in France, Paris, all over the world, including New York. Um, as I have said, uh, I am facing a formidable challenge today in my life. I was here at the cemetery of of the living. However, my physical body is incarcerated, but it doesn't mean that my principle, advocacy, vision, mission will be stopped right there. No. I ordered all the men and women under my command to continue the Mayaman Challenge 2.0. We have to show the world that even I'm not around, the heart of Mayaman Challenge must live on. We have to show the world that someone in our capacity, not only me, but including to all of those people who try to help me, that we are here to love all of them. Thank you for all the defenders, the supporters, and of course to you, Secretary Yama. I'm proud of you. Wala nang hihigit pa na mas dadakila pa sa isang tapat na paggawa para sa kapwa ng walang halong pagpapaimbabaw. Kung sila ay masama, huwag tayong tumulad sa kanila. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga supporters na hanggang ngayon nagpapakapuyat at patuloy na sumusuporta. Gusto ko pong malaman ninyo na ang pagmamahal ninyo ang nagbibigay sa akin ng kalakasan para mapaglabanan itong kakaibang event sa aking buhay. Uulitin ko po, baliktarin man ang watawat, hindi po tayo magpapaawat. Maghalo man ang balat sa tinalupan, maggera man hayop sa gubat. Ipagpapatuloy po natin at patuloy po natin gagampanan ang ating nasimulang layunin. Wala po tayong ibang hangarin kundi gisingin ang bawat bayaning natutulog, ang mga pusong naghuhumiyaw, hanggang sa lahat po tayo ay nagkakaisa na. Uulitin ko po, the only reason for the evil to go triumphant is for those good men to do nothing. I am happy to see that when I started the Mayaman Challenge, I received several messages, several letters from every corners of the Philippines congratulating all of you, and accidentally me as the founder of the Mayaman Challenge. Today, I should proud that the rich people seems to care about the poor people, and the middle class seems to care about their neighbors. So congratulations to all of you who try to continue the Mayaman Challenge. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Alam ko po kung ano ang ginagawa. Hayaan niyo hong pasalamatan ko kayo at hayaan niyong ibigay ko sa inyo ang parangal, hindi sa akin. At uulitin ko, Pilipinas, mapalad kayo. Dahil may mga magulang ako na nagbigay ng lakas sa akin para tumindig at panindigan sa aking ipinaglalaban. Hindi ko po kayo bibiguin. And one day soon, I will shout to the world that FLM is the new evolution of a leader form at the dawn of humanity. Mother, thank you for the life. And to all my mothers, thank you for the courage, the sweat, blood, and tears that you extend me for me to breathe again and again. I promise you that one day soon you will be proud of me and you will not be regretted to have son like me. Sa pamilya mo, Yama, maraming salamat din. Pagtintindi kayo. Sa mga abogado, maraming salamat. Sa aking kapatid, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta, maraming salamat. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Lalabanan ko po ang malamig na gabi sa aking kinalalagyan para po ako ay makarating pa sa panibagong umaga at tayo'y muling magkasama-sama. Mabuhay kayo. Maraming salamat.